I am pleased and proud to announce that the Bureau of Internal Revenue met its collection target for the first time in 20 years. I know that you have heard that before, but we choose to repeat it because it is a very big achievement. In 2024, the Bureau collected more than 2.85 trillion pesos, which is higher than the 2.52 trillion pesos that we collected in 2023. Ano po ba ang ibig sabihin nito sa ating mga kababayan? Ang buwis ng ating inihulog noong nakaraang taon ay katumbas ng lagpas na 1 milyong bagong paaralan, 190,000 kilometro ng kalsada, o di naman ay 167,000 rural health facility. Ngayong araw na ito, muli kaming nananawagan sa ating mga kababayan at magpapaalala sa pagpapabayad ng tamang buwis. Ang bawat mamamayang sumusunod sa tamang pagbayad ng buwis ay nagiging bahagi sa ating pag-unlad. I've said this before. We will hold those who continue to circumvent our system accountable. And I say this with hope and with sternness. Hope that we all see the value in contributing to our country, and that the law will deal sternly against those who exploit the system unfairly.